Recording. Hey, it's Angelo's Edge again here. Bought me our 8-inch selfie light to light my face up and my background, more so to hold this camera up a little higher angle, so get better shots. This is really low down on here, so I'm gonna hopefully utilize this thing right here to help me out. So I got it at Walmart. It's a Bauer. I can't spin it this way because actually this camera might work here. Got an 8-inch selfie ring light studio. There we go. I'll just back this up so you can see it on this camera. So this is what I'm going to use to hold this camera here, so it'll be a little better. So, but we're going to unbox it right now. My first take, actually, I've already cut this open. I actually went to pick up my knife and I wasn't paying attention, and luckily I had it shut, because if I would have picked up on the blade, then I would have cut myself, but I didn't, so that's good. Alright, so here it is. Bauer Smart Photograph Series. See if I could do this without knocking stuff over this time. Alright, I'll sit this here, move this out of the way. I'm guessing this is the power supply. It's blocked out too. Here, I better shut my blade. Right. Oh, it's all the pieces. Toss that over there. It's like the clamp stuff. The knife don't come in. It looks like it's like a pivot. That's cool. So, somehow that must screw on here. We're not playing around with this stuff. Okay, there. Oh, this must be. Oh, no, this is supposed to be Bluetooth somehow. I guess it's a remote switch to snap cameras, and more for probably for your phone. A little lanyard. Alright, so that's that stuff over here. Alright, see if we can get the big stuff out. Okay. Oh, here's the tripod. Oh, that's a decent size. That must be the light. I'm guessing this is the ring light. The tripod. Break this out. Perfect. Hopefully this is perfect for the desk right here. So there we go. That's gonna open up like that. Yeah, it should get me a nice. Guessing this goes here. Threads on. Oh yeah. Oh, this might work good. Oh wait, that's for the. Oh man, I might have it wrong. Guess I should probably read the directions. So, and then there's the ring light itself. Pretty light. So we'll move this. This is like the tripod. Kind of opens up like that. Here's the bottom. This will be actually, when I get to set up, this will be what I'm going to use for my camera views. Here's the ring that goes. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video and put it all together. Alright, I'm back again. I got it all set up. That was a little bit, it's just I don't have enough room for everything. The way it's really hard to show everything, but I got the light works. How can I show this? Let's see. I'm going to shut the light off because I don't want to blind the camera. Power the light off, but it's kind of pretty cool. Let's see over here. It's kind of, I have to go like this because I don't have enough room. But this will be, man, this has been a rough video. Yeah, so that's the camera. This is all going to work out, but I just can't show you everything, how it all. Let's see if I can go like this. Basically, it's a little long. So, anyways, it's a rough one. So hopefully, when I get this camera set up, I'll have a better boom setup. So. And this, like, is so close down. Hopefully I'm going to come back again in a few, but I'm going to try moving everything. Damn, I got wires everywhere right now. Wait, here, let's see. Yeah, got this. You can watch the light, you can turn it on, but, ooh, alright, anyways, I'm going to pause it one more time, and I'm going to try using this actually, and it should be a different view. Alright. Okay, that took me longer than I thought. So what I figured out was this works good. Not exactly what I thought how I was going to set it up, but I did set it up. I got the camera down here lower, so I can move it around, which is pretty cool. I have the light sitting on the side because I can't put the light on top of the tripod, so I have more articulation with the camera on top of the telescope. Like if you look at this picture right here, let's see, I don't have the light there. I have the actual camera right there, and it's right in front of me, which means I can bring in stuff like that. But I have my other camera. I got everything set up, but this is the whole thing. That's weird. It's almost like just noticed that's almost like a mirror image. I don't know why. I have to mess with that, but that's the whole thing. So like I said, the Bauer 8-inch selfie ring studio. So alright. So here's, let's see, I'll do one more thing with this. I have no clue how long this video is because I've been messing around. Alright, let's go to this scene here. And this is actually what it is at the wall. It's $29. Actually, this works out because I can't really show the whole thing on my cameras. I'm geared real for like smaller stuff like knife sharpening and stuff like that. But so if you look right here, I don't have the light up on top of there. I have the camera right there on that piece right there. So I have that. Also note that you don't get a AC adapter. You actually have to use your cell phone adapter. It plugs into the AC. I'm using the light. When I go back to the other screen, I'll mess around with that. see, it was 28. I'll say $30. It has 4.3 rating. 38 people rated it. So far, it's pretty cool. Everything works. So I'm going to go back to the other, see if there's anything else of note here on this web page. Not really. The customer also viewed these products. So let me get out of this, go back, and I'm going to play around with the lighting. So right there, I'm going to move this out of the way. And I'm going to grab the light. I'm going to change the light. See. Okay, that's the different color. You can see it. Different colors. You think you shut this light off? Oh, never mind. Alright, never mind. I have another light that my wife has. So, it really shouldn't matter. But you can see as I can increase I can lower it. See how dim it got. That's still the blue light. I think that's low. I'm going to cycle through this. There's a yellow light. Let's see, white. Looks like blue, white, and like an amber light. So here I'm going to jack this amber light up. It's pretty bright. So you can see the glare off the wall. It's almost so it has this little pad you can lower it. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, that's with it off. If you see, I have another light source over here. So right here, I would turn it on. You'll see it turn on. And I like the blue. Now jack the blue up. You can see it once again, the wall behind me. So I'm going to back this back down. So it's there. Alright. So this is what I'd be normally doing. I'd be having like a knife sharpening or a knife review. So this is perfect for me. I can come in and unbox. So this tripod thing's going to work out well for me. Alright, let's see. Yeah, directions are pretty simple. The only thing, this came with this and this piece here. This thing springs up so you can put your phone in there. But of course I don't have it connected to the pole. But then I think if you take this, well, this one even springs too. So I don't know, they give you, I was messing around with it like this, putting it in here and threading a camera there. But I don't think you can do whatever you want with it. And then, here's the light modes. Warm, they're technically called warm yellow, warm white, and just plain white. 3 light modes, 10 levels of brightness. I see what this is for. So this is like I have the webcam actually screwed into the top of this. So you can actually take this and screw this in the top of where the light would be, and then it would hold your phone too. Kind of like what I'm using the webcam way I'm holding the webcam. So that's what this is for. You could use it this way around the pole itself, or you could screw this. You wouldn't have the light on top. You'd have this screwed into the top, and then your phone would be on top where you want it. So that kind of makes sense. And this shows you how to connect it with this. But it's pretty cool. I think it'll work for what I want it to work for. Alright. I think I'm about done unboxing this one. I freed up my other camera holder. So, alright. I gotta mess with this other camera. It just looks like I'm looking in a mirror. I don't have to mess with that. Oh, you know why? Because no, I don't know. Alright, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angel's Edge. I'll see you the next time. Bye.